Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Brevo for email marketing. Brevo helps you send campaigns, manage contacts, and grow your business with targeted emails. So once you've signed into your Brevo account, you will just have to go to your dashboard. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for your contacts. So it should be under the CRM. And once you're here, what you will have to do basically is you will add the contacts by uploading a CSV or manually add emails. And then after that, you could also create an email campaign by going back to your homepage and then you will click create campaign, which is right here. And basically what you will have to do is you will choose an email campaign, and then you will enter the campaign name or subject line, or you can create from scratch. So yeah, it really depends on you. So yeah, you can use email if you want, but anyway, after that you can design the email by using the drag and drop editor and adding images, text, buttons, and after that you will preview and save. And you could also send the campaign by selecting the recipients and scheduling or sending immediately. And you could also track open and click rates in analytics. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the plan or the the version that you have. So yeah, anyway, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.